it's our third and last day here in Vietnam. But don't worry, we still have more videos coming your way. I always make sure that the last day of our trip is a free day, so we can explore, buy more pasalubong, and visit the shops that truly capture our hearts. So we went back to the new playground to buy more streetwear outfits and bags. It's just right across the Vincom Center. Afterwards, outside the store, there were street vendors selling fruits, so of course we bought some. And I promise their fruits were really good. Since it's raining, we decided to wait at a coffee shop near our accommodation before heading to the airport. Thank you for hanging out with me in Vietnam. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because next stop will be Japan. See you there and thank you again for watching.